Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage dual connection on your headphones LG Tone Free Fit. So, right now we have a first device what connected with the headphones and have the application, and the second one not connected with the headphones and have no application. So, open the application on your first device, scroll down, and right here click Detailed Settings. Now, we should enable dual connection, so click here, and now we can add the second device. So, put your headphones to the charging case and then press and hold touch areas on your left or right earbud until this LED light starts flashing blue. So let's make it. Now I'm press and hold. Here we go, we enter to pairing mode. Now click Pair New Device and click on your headphones at the device list. Pair. And now we have two devices connected to the headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!